As we've learned in ecohydrology, precipitation data is gathered by both automated systems such as RAWs and a volunteer network around the state. We've studied both the positives and negatives of both systems. What is not taken into account is that most of the data collected by these systems is in populated areas, which are mostly around highways and in cities. In 2009, a UNR graduate student named Nicholas Grant created an idea to solve this problem. In Nevada, there's 1,500 wildlife guzzlers in remote catchments all over the state. He decided to outfit one of the guzzlers with precipitation data devices such as a tipping bucket rain gauge and pressure transducers to measure the amount of precipitation at these specific sites. Let's go see how this works. This is a small wildlife guzzler, and as you can see from here, it's paid for by taxpayers' money. Since this one's so close to town, it can be subject to vandalism, which you can see the bullet holes here. You can see the bullet hole in our solar panel right there, but luckily it still works. So let's go inside and take a walk around it. This is the guzzler. As you can see, it has a roof here with a gutter, and that gutter leads down to a holding tank that's underneath right there. And the small wildlife are able to get in here and drink out of that tank. If you walk around with me, we can show you that here's our solar panel. This charges our battery. Our battery's held down here in a box that has a data logger that will get all the data from the rain gauge, and it records temperature as well. Here's our tipping bucket rain gauge right here. First thing we do is check it to see if there's anything in it, which there is. See if the hole doesn't look like our tipping bucket rain gauge has been doing much work, because the hole is blocked up. Better. And that's pretty much it. So let's get the data from this thing. Get a shot of that. Yeah. This is our data logger. This is our rechargeable battery. And this is where our wiring goes out to the rain gauge. Yeah. We use a laptop to download the data. This is a cable that goes from the laptop to the data logger to get the information from that. And this is a cable that we use for the pressure transducers to hook up to. This guzzler is outfitted with 2 pressure transducers, one for the outside pressure and one in the tank for the water pressure in the tank. So we will download the data from both of those. The pressure transducer that we put in the tank has to be protected from the water, and also what we do is we put salt water in it as well to keep it from freezing, because the tank freezes over in the winter time. So the first thing is we put it in one volumetric balloon. We twist it tight. Good job. Alright, so now we've got this in place. And this is how we get the rain precipitation data from a Guzzler. Thanks.